Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting isopropyl alcohol 70-99% or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer, cotton balls, a microfiber cloth, a soft toothbrush, and gloves. You test a small hidden spot to confirm the plastic tolerates alcohol. This prevents permanent dulling. Next, saturate a cotton ball with alcohol and press it onto the pen mark for 10-15 seconds to loosen ink. You use gentle pressure. Do not scrub hard, because rubbing before ink softens can spread the stain and scratch the surface. Once the ink softens, you rub in small circular motions with a fresh cotton ball, moving from the outside of the stain inward to avoid spreading. You switch to a soft toothbrush for textured areas or seams, working slowly so alcohol penetrates crevices. If ink persists after 2 attempts, repeat the saturate and wait cycle rather than increasing force. Make sure to avoid acetone-based removers on ABS or painted plastics because they dissolve finishes. Alcohol removes ink while being less aggressive. You finish by wiping the area with a damp microfiber cloth to remove residue, then dry thoroughly to check results. If the surface looks slightly dull, buff with a dab of plastic polish or a gentle paste made from baking soda and water to restore sheen. If ink won't budge or the plastic has been etched, try a fine polishing compound. If that fails, consider professional restoration or repainting. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If the alcohol discolors the plastic, stop immediately and try a milder cleaner or seek expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.